Hey, this is Jeff Jones from theboxman.com, where we have changed the way that you should watch TV. And in this video, we're finally going to look at some basic differences between the Formuler Z11 Pro and the Formuler Z11 Pro Max media devices. Let's get into it. All right, guys, welcome back. Let's jump right into the video. If this is your first time on the Stream Machines, maybe YouTube channel, the Stream Machines Rumble channel, or even the Stream Machines Odyssey channel, either way, on any platform, this video is going to be posted. Go ahead and give us a like on any platform you see this video. If you have any specific questions, comment below. Follow the instructions on how to see us and how to get us. As always, we have some of the best deals when it comes to streaming media boxes and services. Just hit us up. We're making deals before the end of the year. So let's jump right into the video. We're going to look at 4 different things that set these things apart, set these two boxes apart. The first thing I want you to know about these boxes before we jump into the four things is that both the Z11 Pro and Pro Maxes are high-end streaming devices. A high-end streaming device should run you, I don't know, maybe above $150 to $200. That's where they are. The Z11 Pro is about $160, $150, $160 empty retail, where the Z11 Pro Max ranges, depends on who sells it, between $179 to $200. Now, the reason these high-end brands are so very good, it allows users to access their favorite TV shows, their movies, and other contents through internet streaming services like Netflix or Amazon Prime. Both devices, get this, are powerful, really powerful, and they offer a great streaming advantage or experience. But we're going to look at some of the key things that set them apart. So let's get into it right now. The 4 things that set these two apart. Let's start with the processor and working memory. So the processor and the RAM, the Formuler Z11 Pro, they're equipped with what they call a powerful quad-core processor with 2 GB of RAM and 16 GB of expanded memory. With the 2 GB of RAM with the Pro, it allows you to stream quickly and smoothly in 4K. No pixelation, but streaming very clear in 4K. This is more than enough for most users. Now, if you get up to the Z11 Pro Max, this one is like the premium side. This has a hexa-core processor with 4 GB of internal RAM. This ensures you that the streaming performance is a better overall experience, because now you can stream not only in 4K, but now you get up to 8K resolution, even streaming multiple apps at the same time. So off the top, the processor and the working memory is a little bit different. You have 2 GB on one, the Z11 Pro, and then you have 4 GB of internal memory on the Z11 Pro Max. The next thing that we want to look at is the hardware in the Formuler Z11 Pro and the Formuler Z11 Pro Max. Now, both of these in the Z11 Pro and Pro Max are equipped with powerful hardware. So the Z11 Pro, it features a Realtek RTD 131, a 131.9C, and a CPU, and a Mali G57. It makes all of them, each one of them, have a Mali G57 GPU, making them capable of fast, smooth streaming. In other words, no choppiness and higher resolutions. In addition, when they have the 2 GB and 4 GB DDR4 RAM memory, so they continue to run smoothly even with multiple apps open. Now, why you're probably saying, well, why would I choose the Z11 Pro Max when I can get the Z11 Pro? The Pro Max to me is for a more extreme or advanced streamer. You're not going to like all the bells and whistles because you're not going to use them. But if you want a very, very good box, the Z11 Pro, the little brother of the Pro Max, is capable of delivering that. Now, Formula has also provided an upgrade in the field of connectivity. The Z11 Pro Max is equipped with the new dual 2x2 AC module. I should say that's the Z11 Pro. And the Z11 Pro Max gives you the 6th generation AX wireless module. What does that mean? It guarantees the Pro Max even better Wi-Fi reception. So if you prefer to connect via an internet cable, no problem. Both receivers have an internet port and support up to a 1000 megabits per second. So you won't be bothered by stuttering or buffering. Both receivers are equipped to run in 2024 at an optimal level. But knowing which one to choose is based on your preference. Z11 Pro, more scaled down. Z11 Pro Max if you want the best of the best. Let's look at the support. The next thing, let's look at the support. The next point is about the support for different types of storage. So we've been talking about the different types of storage where the Formuler Z11 Pro has 2 GB internal memory, but 16 GB of expanded memory. That is plenty for a very, very basic user. Then you go up to the Z11 Pro Max that has 4 GB of internal memory and 32 GB of expanded memory. This means that on the Pro Max, you can install more apps and store more content offline. This is an important difference for users who plan to install a lot of apps or watch a lot of content offline. If you're not doing any of one of those two, installing a lot of apps or watching some content offline, the Z11 Pro is sufficient for what you need because it's one smooth machine. But having the expanded memory, again, more for an advanced user and not a beginner user. The last thing we're going to look at is the USB and HDMI. So both devices are really equipped and support USB 3.0 connection and an HDMI 2.1 connection for optimal image display. That's what that means. HDMI 2.1 is for optimal image display on your TV. Now, both of them have an IR remote control or an external Wi-Fi antenna for better reception, and both support OTT or even IPTV. So with these 4 things, all in all, it's your choice. And right now, they are probably the top tier devices that Formula has. But again, the Formuler Z11 Pro is mainly for someone who doesn't need a lot of offline connectivity, who's not going to be watching a lot of offline stuff or downloading a bunch of apps. The 2 GB and 16 is more than enough. Now on my screen right now, you're looking at a Z11 Pro Max. On the Z11 Pro, it looks the same way. And by the way, the secret is Formula just came out with their own application that's in the Google Play Store and in the Amazon App Store, or the App Store, the Apple App Store, I should say. I don't use Apple devices, but it's called My TV Online Plus, and it is amazing. And it works in conjunction with these devices where you can take that application, connect it to your device, and export all of the data from your TV, from your box to the app. You export it from the box to the app. Now you can take it on your phone. You can take it on your tablet. You can put it on any one of those things because those 2 things work in conjunction. A high-end device with its own high-end application that can export the data or data from your device that you watch on the TV to a phone or a tablet, making it more usable in 2024. Hey, my name is Jeff Jones. I'm not the Formula guy. I am known as the Boxman. And I love media devices, and I really love saving you money because you work with us. We consider ourselves one of the best in the business because we care about people and we care about staying within the law, keeping it legal so you can cut your cable bill and entertainment bill. If you like this video or you know more other functions I didn't mention, please comment in the video below in the comment section wherever you find this video. If you're interested in any of our boxes like a Formuler Z11 Pro, right now we're giving some amazing deals on the Z11 Pro because I just sold out of the Z11 Pro Maxes. Contact us. You're going to get 2 years of the MyTV Online 2 or Line 3 already in the unit. It is going to be phenomenal for you guys. You can contact us by texting us at the 858-212-0841 number below. We'd love to talk with you, or some of my team members will talk with you. In the other news, have a great new year. Stay safe. I'm going to stay indoors because I don't want to be hit by a drunk driver, but also I like just being a homebody. With that said, Happy New Year.